Hello my friends, in today's episode I will be showing you how to load and unload film from your Ricoh XR-X 3PF film camera. So without further ado, let's get into the video. But before we get to it, I would like to announce the sponsor of today's episode, you. Whenever you support this channel, you are helping me grow this channel. Also, members get early access to all the videos I make. So in order to load and unload film from your Ricoh XR-X 3PF, or just the XR-X if you don't have the 3PF version, I will talk more about that in the video, about how to use this camera. Like most, we flip it to the back, and like most Ricoh cameras, they have a lock button over here, so without pressing it, you can't open the film back. You have to press this button and then pull down the lever. When you open up the back, it's like most automatic wind film cameras. You take your film, I got this used for testing purposes. You load it with the tip pointing down, so your numbers, if you have some like that, are upside down, with your film leader going on the bottom part of the camera, and you pull this end until you get to your arrow here. We have this mark about loading your film over here. If you don't pull it up enough, let's try that, and you close the doors, the camera will try loading your film, but when you turn it on, there will be a zero blinking here, that the film is not loaded correctly. If you have a blinking zero, you didn't load your film incorrectly. So again, we open up the back. Your camera could be on or off, doesn't matter. We make sure that this is to this arrow here, just like that. Close it again. Well, now we heard it just by the sound of it. First frame. Now the film is correctly loaded in. And now we can take photos. The camera reads the DX code automatically. If you want to change that, that will be more in-depth video about how to use this camera. When you get to the end of your film, your camera will automatically start rewinding. I will of course stop my rewinding midway so it doesn't roll in completely my film, but yours, when it finishes rewinding, all your film will be inside the cartridge. So let's see that. We're taking photos. We already hear that it's getting harder to advance the film. And now it blinked, and it started rewinding the film. Now of course if you open the door midway, it will stop rewinding. That's what I will do, so it doesn't roll in my film completely. You just open the doors, and the film stops rewinding. But of course don't do this at home. You wait for your film to completely unload from the camera. So of course take out your film, close the doors, and without the film, of course, it will not show anything. If you put it in incorrectly, it will be a zero blinking. If you don't put any film at all, there won't be anything blinking here to inform you that your film is incorrectly loaded. Of course, if you don't have a number here, that means you don't have any film at all. So you could take photos, but you don't have any film. Of course, you have a window here to see your film also. So that, my friends, is how to load your Ricoh XR-X 3PF film camera. If you want to know how to use it, there will be another video about it. So if you like this type of content, please remember to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell button to get notified whenever I post something new. So thank you for watching, my friends. Take care and see you in the next episode.